I came to NHS Hack Scotland because I wanted to meet like-minded healthcare professionals and to meet developers and to see how the whole hack day happens, as I've read a lot about it happening in England. That was the reason I came.
Hi, I'm Chal. I work with the Scottish Ambulance Service. Why did I come today? I came today because the ambulance service is full of ideas, interesting developments, but we rarely have an opportunity to actually get to a working model very quickly. So I thought, interesting use of 2 days. Can I get a workable demonstration product very quickly? And the answer is yes. Been here for a day and a half, and I've got an amazing experience with a lot of very interesting and skilled developer type people and a lot of clinicians, and we've managed to come to understandings very quickly, work very well together, and now I have something I can take back to the bosses, and they can have a play with the demo, and hopefully we'll get some action.
Okay, I came to the Hack Day here in Edinburgh. I've been to the previous NHS Hack Days, one in London and one in Liverpool, missed the Oxford one, and I enjoy them. They're great fun, but I'm also really interested in how we can get better value for the NHS in terms of the way that stuff is created around technology. And whilst I know that these events aren't going to provide answers to some of the sort of core architectural problems and standards and things like that, I think that they demonstrate the art of the possible. And indeed, if we had better understood architectures and standards, these things would be churning out stuff that could be immensely useful. I'm really keen that they kind of show what might happen and ways of getting really much better value for the NHS than some of the current ways of developing things.
I came up because I recently broke my wrist and I was really happy with the care that I got from the NHS. But there's a lot of things which I wanted to actually kind of access in a more kind of user-friendly, tech-savvy way. For example, being able to see my records, having to understand that, find out when it's actually happening, and this felt like a good way to actually understand the problems and see what could actually be done about it.
I spend all day working on free software operating systems with my team of geeks and creating a project to hopefully take over the world with free software. But I spend a limited amount of time working with end users and people who don't care about computers, people for whom computers are just a tool to get another job done. So at this event I wanted to hang around with a bunch of people who have important other work to be done for whom computers are just a tool, and make sure that as an open source developer I'm giving them what they need.
The reasons why I came this weekend are because I'm helping Kirsten organise the NHS Hack Scotland Day, because we met in Liverpool, we thought it was a fantastic experience, we had a great time, we met Peter, and we thought it would be a fantastic initiative to set up and start in Edinburgh, because we've got a lot of great people around Scotland who want to contribute, want to collaborate, and it's a very powerful and positive experience.
I came because I work in a department which has a lot of different ideas, which it would be really helpful to turn into digital solutions. And the idea of meeting with lots of creative people, and people who are very competent in digital work. And I haven't been disappointed.